So this CANstruction is an event put on yearly. It's been going on for the past couple of years. It's hosted by the American Institute of Architects Richmond chapter for the benefit of Feedmore. What it is essentially it's a great event where architects, engineers, people within that community come together once a year to develop can sculptures where all of the food and all of the food products, as well as the donations related, get donated to Feedmore. It really is an opportunity to bring the architecture, engineering, and construction industry in the region together to put on a great event that helps benefit the people in need in our community.
So this year we chose to do our historical building based off the St. John's Church. So we've been working really hard to make it look like the actual church.
We were just gonna laser scan the outside, get some measurements, and then Nathan offered to reach out to them and see if we could do some sort of partnership, and they were way on board, more so than we could have ever thought. So this was exciting for us, it was exciting for them. They were able to get some technology and get some information about their building that they weren't going to be able to get for 5 to 7 years. So now we're having real live measurements to scale down to build our structure. So it's been a unique experience, and we got to tour the entire facility and go into the rooms that nobody else gets to go in. So that was really neat.
So one of the things we accomplished this year for the CANstruction event was we actually partnered with St. John's Foundation and laser scanned the entire church and historic structure. What that means is essentially we brought out a laser scanning device, which is a device that sits on a tripod. It sends out a laser wave and calculates distance to an accuracy of 1 millimeter to create a 3D model of the environment, and in this case, building. What this allowed us to do was really document this historic monument and provide that information to the foundation and really give them some data that would otherwise not have been quite attainable to them yet. So it was really a great opportunity for us to use not only our technology and our skills to create what we needed to be able to build the sculpture, but then to share that in a historic way so that we can help preserve this church and provide as much information as we can to the foundation so that they can continue to do the great work they do to preserve this important structure in Richmond's history. And we have it completely all put together. So we got pretty much the whole site.
Holy cow!
And then the
preservation, able to be able to, like you said, come back. God forbid if we have to, and recreate and measure. And
So it is now fully documented. And so, and this is something.
This is the best gift. Thank you so much. This is going to help with the preservation of St. John's Church for many years to come. So thank you. Oh my God! Who did the shopping?
We ordered it.
We were all like really pumped. We were like, this is gonna be so cool, and everybody was really amped, and we were looking at cans. We're like, you know what? We're gonna just build this in like 2 days. Like it'll be super easy. And then all of a sudden, all the hard work started piling on.
So in order to get funding for the CANstruction event, we utilized our relationship with Markel Eagle and the Eagle companies, and we've raised funds internally to sponsor the event. We went through AIA as they already had a relationship with Carytown Kroger. So we submitted our invoicing, our shopping list with everything that we needed for our structure, and AIA ordered through Kroger. We will be picking up from the Carytown Kroger and delivering to the Virginia Museum of History and Culture the night before the CANstruction event.
We're putting together the structure so that on CANstruction day we can have everything pre-built.
So Eagle Construction decided to get involved in the CANstruction event, primarily because of what the opportunity is for the community, where Beadmore is a really great organization that does a lot of good for the community within Richmond and its surrounding areas. And Eagle really takes pride in not just building homes, but also building communities and being a part of the fabric of that community. And this is just one way we saw an opportunity to really help make a difference, and to do it in an interesting and fun way that can also help draw attention to the organizations that benefit from this event, to help kind of continue this outpouring of support for the community itself.
By implementing Eagle's values with our day-to-day work as well as CANstruction and the internship as a whole, I feel like it has helped us with our commitment to the project, our accountability to get everything done on time, and to also communicate effectively.
Definitely.
So we just got done building our St. John's Church, the beginning of the American Revolution. It was a wonderful, wonderful event, a lot of collaboration between different members of our team from all across Eagle, including some of our interns, and it turned out amazing. So I can't wait to see what the judges are going to say.